Good afternoon, everyone. This is Forever True TV. I am your host, the Free Spirit Cage, also known as Angelique. And today I'm here to report that there is a confirmation that Lake Charles Memorial Hospital in Lake Charles, Louisiana, is releasing COVID positive patients into the public as they are being tested positive for COVID-19. For these reasons is to save money and to leave spots open for patients with severity of the COVID-19. Again, I am telling you now, hospitals are getting people tested with positive COVID-19, and then instead of allowing them to stay in the hospital until they are tested negative, they are releasing them back into the public. This is one of the reasons why the spread of COVID-19 is becoming a pandemic, and it's getting larger than what it is supposed to be. We are not taking control, and they are not being responsible enough to hold the patients in the hospital until they are tested negative. Again, hospitals known as Lake Charles Memorial has been confirmed. I personally called myself and asked if you are allowing your patients to go home with positive testing. They said yes. I have the lady's name. She was a manager for the hospital, and she also was supposed to call me back with more protocol measures that they have down in Louisiana. Guess what? She never called me back after she confirmed everything that I asked. She didn't know why I was asking the questions, but then when she found out why I was asking the questions, she said that she was going to have to call me back. She never called me back. I've been waiting 3 days now, but I'm going to tell you now, it is real and it is true. Trust me when I say they are allowing the spread of the pandemic virus called the coronavirus 19. COVID-19. The hospitals are actually releasing the patients once they find out they are positive with COVID-19. And then other facilities that are available for people to come into, they are not allowing them once they have been tested positive for COVID-19. So let's say, for instance, a patient was released from the hospital with positive COVID-19. However, the patient has been placed on a situation where he needs, or she needs to go back into the hospital because their condition has not been stabilized. They will not take the patient back in or send them to a SNF building. Instead, they send them home. This is what you call viral contact tracing. They are doing this for a reason. You guys wake up, understand what is going on. But these people are crazy for allowing people to be tested positive and then put them back into public population. Again, they are trying to save money. 2, they are trying to leave open bed spots for people with other underlying conditions that need to be seen. So with that being said, please be careful. Continue to wear your mask and to wear your gloves wherever you go, because of the fact that the COVID-19 is a pandemic. It is a dangerous virus. However, people are not just dying of COVID-19. These people have underlying conditions, and when they get COVID-19, what happens is it probably heightens up the condition that they already have. And if they die, they're not dying of COVID-19. They're dying from the underlying conditions that they already have. I don't care who's seeing this. I don't care if I get backlash, but I'm telling you right now, the hospitals are releasing positive COVID patients from the hospital and allowing them to go back into general population. That is the reason why the actual virus continues to keep spreading. No telling what they're doing while you're even in the hospital. So if you do not need to go to the hospital, stay away from the hospital. If you are not in a death, dying situation, stay away from the hospital. Any signs or conditions that you have, just stay away from the hospital, because it could just be a common flu or the common cold. Please, whatever you guys do, especially my brown skinned people, do your best to wash, stay hygienic, the whole 9 yards. Lysol things down, wipe things down as much as you can. Again, I am not going to repeat this, but I'm going to tell you one more time, and I emphasize this. This is so serious. I have confirmed that the Lake Charles Memorial Hospital in Louisiana is releasing COVID positive patients back into the public before they test negative. Do you hear me? And it is our brown-skinned, underprivileged people in areas that are high numbers of this pandemic. Trust, but verify. I'm your host, the Free Spirit Kajay, also known as Angelique. Please stay tuned and listen to me over at Forever True TV on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm out.